Samsung isn't wasting any time with its next big flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and the latest leaks suggest we're in for some major shakeups. If these rumors turn out to be true, the S26 Ultra could be one of the most exciting flagship smartphones in years, pushing the limits of innovation and performance. Samsung already produces some of the best smartphone displays, but the S26 Ultra is rumored to feature a 7-inch AMOLED panel, making it one of the largest mainstream flagship screens ever, all while keeping the overall size manageable thanks to ultra-thin bezels. The display upgrades don't stop there, with higher peak brightness for better outdoor visibility, improved HDR performance for more vivid colors, and enhanced power efficiency for longer battery life. Some early rumors suggested Samsung might introduce an under-display front camera, but more recent leaks indicate they will stick with a punch-hole design for now. While under-display cameras sound futuristic, they still can't match the quality of traditional selfie cameras, and Samsung isn't willing to compromise on image quality. The Galaxy S25 Ultra exclusively used the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which was widely praised for its efficiency and thermal management, especially compared to Samsung's Exynos processors of the past. However, reports suggest that the Exynos 2600 might return in some S26 Ultra models. Samsung is reportedly working on a more efficient fabrication process, better thermal management, and improved AI-driven performance enhancements. That said, will this be enough to win back consumer trust? Many users remain skeptical, and Samsung must prove Exynos is finally on par with Snapdragon if they want a successful comeback. Battery life is always a hot topic, and Samsung is rumored to be making big improvements in this area. Leaks suggest that the S26 Ultra could feature stacked battery technology, possibly pushing capacity beyond 5,500 mAh, and maybe even 7,000 mAh if silicon carbon battery tech is implemented. But there's still one huge problem: charging speeds. While brands like OnePlus and Xiaomi offer 80 to 100 watts fast charging, Samsung stubbornly sticks to 45 watts wired charging. With a battery this big, users will need significantly faster charging speeds to keep up. If Samsung finally steps up its charging game, the S26 Ultra could be one of the most practical flagships on the market. One of the most controversial decisions in the S25 Ultra was removing Bluetooth functionality from the S Pen. The backlash was immediate, with users demanding its return. Thankfully, leaks confirm that Bluetooth is making a comeback in the S26 Ultra's S Pen, restoring key features like remote camera controls, air gestures for navigation and media playback, and advanced handwriting recognition powered by AI. Even if Samsung doesn't introduce new Bluetooth-powered functions, the return of these beloved features is a win for longtime S Pen users. Samsung's Ultra series is known for its powerful cameras, but the S26 Ultra could take a different approach. One of the biggest surprises is that Samsung might reduce the number of rear cameras from 4 to 3. The expected setup includes a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x or 4x optical zoom. This contradicts earlier rumors of dual 200-megapixel cameras, with some leaks claiming Samsung initially planned for 2 ultra-high-resolution sensors, but had to scale back due to hardware limitations. Additionally, the 8x periscope zoom lens from previous models might be removed. However, Samsung is investing heavily in computational photography and AI-driven enhancements, meaning image quality could still improve despite fewer cameras. With smartphone innovation slowing down, many consumers are holding onto their devices longer than before. The S26 Ultra must deliver truly compelling upgrades to convince users to switch. Beyond hardware, software will play a crucial role. Samsung has been integrating AI-driven features, and the S26 Ultra is expected to take this even further with smarter battery optimization, enhanced camera eye, and AI-powered customization options. At the end of the day, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerhouse flagship, but the big question remains, is it a game changer or just another incremental upgrade? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Are you excited about the S26 Ultra, or are you waiting for something else like the Edge? Stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, take care.